Guys, so paalis kami ngayon guys. Pupunta kami ng New Mexico sa may border ng Arizona at New Mexico kasi pipick upin namin yung new purchase truck ng asawa ko. Doon niya kasi nabili. Dadalhin namin itong truck guys, tsaka yung camper. Hindi na namin kailangan mag-hotel. Ito yung magdadrive ng bagong truck pabalik. We're ready to go. Long driving. Andito na kami ngayon nagpapahinga, so we just stop by somewhere here sa may Arizona. Nasa Arizona pa rin kami guys, so for the meantime mag-i-stop kami dito for the night para matutulog. Kailangan matulog ng asawa ko kasi mahaba-haba pa yung drive, at ako din kailangan ko makakuha ng maayos na tulog kasi ako yung magdadrive doon sa bagong truck na pinili ng asawa ko. So first time ko magdadrive ng ganung kalayo guys, pabalik papunta sa amin sa Utah. So andun sila sa taas ng bed guys, nagpapahinga, nanonood sila ng movie. Kakatapos lang din namin ng kambal mag-dinner ditong dinette. Gagawin ko din itong bed para dito sila matutulog. Hapon na kami umalis doon sa bahay, mga 4:30. So far ngayon dito is 8:30. So 4 hours din. So we're about 2 hours away pa ang layo doon sa dealer. Maaga ang gising namin bukas, mga 4 AM. Sabi niya kasi we need to be there by 7 AM kasi yun yung time ng open nila. Hi guys, so it's already 4:20 in the morning. Papunta na kami doon sa dealer, pero nag-stop muna kami dito sa Speedway to get a coffee for me and for my husband. We will be there about 2 hours. Mag-open daw around 8 o'clock in the morning. Ito yung Speedway grocery guys, and gas station siya at the same time. Yung McDonald's doon, it's closed, kaya dito kami kukuha ng coffee. Smells so good. This is the small size, son. Look at this. It's small, but for me it's large. Yeah, we found. They're going back to sleep again. We hope so. So andito na kami ngayon guys sa New Mexico Advantage dealer. Ayan. Finally nakarating na rin. So we're here now inside. Ay! Okay. My turn to. Okay. There you go. So guys, papakita na sa amin yung white truck. Ayan guys. Ito yung i-drive ko back to Utah. So ito guys, bayad na siya cash.
Go check.
This comes, my bed spray na siya guys. Bed sprayed. Tsaka may step na siya. Hindi na niya kailangan i-add.
No, you have to do this.
Open that. Open.
Oh,
There you go. So mas malapad yung likod dito sa yung seat dito sa likod guys compared doon sa red namin.
Sister, where's your
Ayan.
snack? Bob, can you take my snack?
Ayan guys, may nakalagay na sold.
Yeah.
So nag-deposit lang siya dito ng $2,000 para to be sure na amin na talaga ito. Ayan. Okay, here's why my husband likes this truck even it's far from New Mexico. Tell them why, huh?
Because we could have bought a 2024 in Las Vegas at Tobin Dodge. They advertised it for $50,250. I went in and said, I'll take it. And then they proceeded to add $4,000 onto it because they didn't advertise. They added $4,000 worth of garbage onto it nobody wants. So stay away from Tobin Dodge if you can. Price as they asked, I offered them their full price and they came back with me, no. So they're a bunch of frauds, don't go there.
Here you got a good deal, good price step, and the bedspread liner.
Look, I'm gonna get 3 colors now. You only get
Oh,
white,
you only-
black, or gray. That's it.
Red, black, and gray. For
Unless
this,
you buy a diesel, then you can also get red. But I'm not buying a diesel, so I get red.
this is gas, right?
Yep.
You guys, congratulations again.
Thank you. Thank you.
For you. This is that glove box, and then we're still just waiting for them to finish. Okay.
Ito na siya guys. Dinetail nila. Nilinis ulit. So ito yung ida-drive ko guys pabalik. Tapos yung asawa ko naman yung truck na isa na may camper. Ayan. So 63,000 something pala ito guys. Total amount. Tradesman, crew cup, 8-foot bed. Ayan. 3,500 heavy duty. Tapos 4 yung hair sa likod.
Oh no, that's right. I'm leaving you here. What's the payment?
Now
Ask
you
mommy.
pay.
Temporary plate number?
I'm not
That's our
the
Telluride
money.
plate, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not the money.
Take some pictures on your phone as well.
Yeah, yeah, please. Yeah. Ayan guys, yung isang truck namin with the camper and trailer. Ida-drive ko na ito ngayon. Dito na kami guys sa Page, Arizona. 3 hours na kami nag-drive. What happened? Huh? No, why Patty's crying?
She's sorry.
Oh,
Let's go to the ice cream place after.
You have the key, right?
yeah.
Let's go to the ice cream place after.
So I'll just... okay. So we've been driving for 3 hours, Han? 3 hours driving. We already did. We already did 4 hours? Oh, I already did 4 hours driving, guys. In this truck. Ang kagandahan lang sa truck, guys, maganda siya pag lalo na pag mga road trip. Kasi mataas, makikita mo ang lahat. So, kakain muna kami dito sa
If you eat,
Big Texas, Big John's Texas Barbecue. Sigutom na kami. We're very hungry. Ano, Big John's Texas Barbecue. First time namin dito. So, we'll try. Hi, Pa, you okay?
why do I have to eat
Huh? Ito na yung order namin, guys.
Smells like rice.
Okay, let's eat.
Let's get some food.
Let's see.
A little bit for Pat Pat. A little this. A little some
This is barbecue chicken nachos.
It's good.
That good?
Yeah.
Hello, Papa. Is that good, Papa?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like it, Pat Pat?
Sarap.
Mama.
So, we're done eating our lunch. Dito kami ngayon, guys. Mag-hike kami papunta ng Horseshoe Bend. It's a tourist attraction, guys. It's our second time here. You were here when you were, I think, 2 years old? Yeah, but they were walking that time. And then now, andito kami ulit ngayon guys. Ewan, they're not remembering that anymore. So, lalakarin guys, papunta doon. Hindi pwede dalhin yung sasakyan. Iwanan lang yung sasakyan sa may parking lot. Search Horseshoe Bend. Maganda siya guys. Na tourist attraction. There you go. Ayan na siya guys. Oh. Doon no, yung may maraming tao dyan. Nandyan yung Horseshoe Bend. So, 1 mile round trip ang lakad na ito guys. 1 mile round trip. So, half mile going, half mile coming back. Ang trail na ito. Mainit na. After dito guys, uwi na kami. We're about 2 hours away na lang from here to Hurricane Utah. My entrance fee here guys, it's $10 per vehicle. Yung motorcycle, $5 only. Lapit na kami guys. We're here now guys. Wait. Hold on. Wait here. Hold in my leg. Hold in my leg. Kasi katakot. Hold on.
Let's hold hands.
Hold on. Hold on. Look. Wow. It's beautiful.
Do you see the kayaks there?
Yeah. Oh, look at this. Horseshoe Bend. Wow.
You still die.
It's beautiful. Look at that guys.
The higher up you are and how fast you go,
Yeah,
the
Horseshoe
water
Bend.
density of the water becomes more.
It's here in Page, Arizona. Wow.
No, you'll die when you hit the water.
Beautiful.
The water is as hard as this rock when you hit it from up here.
Billy Club.
No.
Horseshoe Bend. Nandun sila George guys, oh. Nilalayo niya yung kambal dito, si baka mahulog. Si delikado guys, oh. Konting mali mo lang dito, oh. Mahuhulog ka dyan sa bangin. Maraming tao. It's also a cliff there.
It's all cliffs and stuff.
Yeah.
The branches get
Look at this, oh.
I feel better about it.
Wow.
Come on, Pat.
Very nice. You want water? Okay, I'll get water. Balik na kami guys. Mainit. Nagutom yung dalawa. Mayroon silang chips. Dala-dala ko. Patubig. Mainit. Oh, it's 4:30 in the afternoon. But it's hot. Hot na.
I want water.
Maka-ice cream muna kami guys dito. Mainit kasi. Yan guys. Mag-refresh muna kasi mainit. Let's go. Come on. Oh, look at that.
Wait, this is my ice cream.
Dito na kami guys sa bahay sa Utah. Kararating lang namin guys. Ayan na si George, backing na niya yung white truck. Ayan. So itong red na yan guys, hopefully mabibenta daw niya. We will get rid of the red truck. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!